Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. We got another hard reset for you. Today we are doing the X-Mobile X63 Pro. If you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset on it because you forgot your pattern or password, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder though, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, we got a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, and we'd appreciate all the support. Otherwise, let's jump right into this bad boy. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off, and in this case it is. If it's not, just either power it off with a power button or just take the battery out real quick. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power buttons right there. And what we want to do is we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. I'm going to hold volume up first, then hit power. And then it brings it up to the to our bootloader, and from here it's volume up to select and volume down is okay. So we're going to hit volume up until the arrow points to the recovery, and then we'll hit volume down when we're there. So this will get you into your recovery mode. It might be a no command screen. We'll get past that real quick. We'll see. Nope, not this time. Right to the recovery mode. So perfect. So what we want to do here is use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button. And I went too far. There we go. Confirm, hit the power button again. So now it's deleting. Now it's done. And then from here we can either reboot or power off. In this case I'm just going to power off the phone, but if you did reboot, it would just load to the welcome screen, and you could set the phone up like you would when you first got it. But that is how we do a hard reset on a X-Mobile X63 Pro. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, like I said, if you could like, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.